Wow, look at that.
Yeah, that's the Diamond Head and the ocean.
It's beautiful today. Look at
Yeah. So during the day, you can see Diamond Head and the ocean. At nighttime, you can see the city lights of Waikiki. Aloha, this is Minyong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii. And welcome to Island Colony, which my client purchased for the second time in Hawaii. So the first unit they bought with me is facing the ocean. And then their second investment is facing the Diamond Head. So they bought it for tax purpose. So let's go take a look. Island Colony is a condo located in the heart of Waikiki. It's right across from the international marketplace, making it a great location for shopping and dining. And this one particular cafe that I personally recommend is called Kona Purveyors. Definitely try with koinamon and cup of coffee. There are also many great restaurants nearby, and the beach is within walking distance, which makes this condo constantly popular among visitors. You can check out my client's first purchase at Island Colony in my previous video. And if you're interested, I highly recommend watching that as well. The building offers many amenities on the 6th floor, including a barbecue area, pool, fitness center, sauna, laundry room, and convenience store, ensuring high satisfaction for a guest.
So how do you know these clients?
So they're my returning clients. They bought another unit in the same building, and then they never seen this property yet.
Wow.
I just sent them the video, right? And then they bought it because they like how it looks like.
Didn't they do the same thing before?
Yeah, so the other unit, they also didn't see it until they bought it. And they liked this. That's why they came back, right?
That's good.
So they've seen this before, just on my video, yeah. So they're actually coming next week or so just to see in person. But I gave them the update frequently to see how it's changing. So yeah, I'm excited for them to see it in person. But in the video, they really liked it. So hopefully they buy another one. It's already something I'm very grateful for that this client chose to work with me again for their second purchase in Hawaii. On top of that, when they visit Hawaii a few months ago, they even brought me a thoughtful gift. And I would like to take this opportunity to sincerely thank them again. In addition, you can find video of other Hawaii short-term rental condos that my clients purchased and remodeled, along with Airbnb links in the description below. In this video, I was sharing the full breakdown, including the purchase price and renovation cost. Make sure to watch until the end. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello, come on in.
Wow, look at this place. It's beautiful.
It's so different.
Very different.
This is the Island Colony, which my client just purchased. So it's their second investment in Hawaii in the same building. So look how it turned out. Pretty good, yeah?
That's beautiful.
They own the other one bedroom facing the south. So this one is facing the north. So, yin-yang, right? Look at this TV size.
How big is that?
This is 85-inch.
Jeez, that's like bigger than you.
I know, almost, right? And look at this couch.
Is that a couch bed?
It is a couch bed. If you pull it up, it becomes a bed, queen-size bed.
Oh, nice. Wow, you have more beds back there?
Yeah, we have two more beds, bunk beds, the top bottom. So if you have kids or someone who's kind of petite, they can use them here.
Wow, split AC in the living room?
So this one did not have an AC from the beginning. But now look at this Mitsubishi AC. So you can stay cool during the summer or just winter time because it doesn't really get cold here anyway. So do you see the view outside?
Oh yeah, look at it.
It's super nice, yeah. So right in front, there's Iolani,
That's a really big private school, yeah?
one of the top two private schools. And there's Alawaika, of course. So you want to see the kitchen?
Sure.
So this is the full kitchen.
Wow, look at that.
Sink, oven range, and the refrigerator, freezer, everything. Microwave, toaster, rice cooker, coffee maker, air fryer, and then cups, pots, and pans.
Wow, it's literally everything, huh?
It's a full kitchen.
Oh wow, even utensils and everything. How many sets are those?
6 sets.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. Pots and pans.
Wow. Literally everything, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, baking items. You can literally do anything here, huh?
You can live here actually if you wanted to. And the best part, soft closing.
Oh, that's nice.
There we go. So even though you're pretty upset that day, so you cannot slam the cabinets. So don't stay mad, right? And the dining table.
There's a dining table? Wow. The layout's really good. Normally you can't fit a dining table in these units, huh?
Yeah, but ta-da! So you can eat like civilized people, right? So you don't have to eat off the floor. Okay, so let's go check out the bathroom.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Walk-in shower.
I like how there's a raindrop on the top.
Raindrop and adjustable, everything. Because after you go to the beach, you want to rinse off, right?
Is that a dehumidifier light mirror?
Yes,
So it cannot get foggy no matter how hot?
that's true. Yeah, even though we have a ventilation, but it's good to have it, right?
Fancy.
And then on this side, so we put everything here. So we put hangers, iron board, and everything.
Nice. What's that door behind you?
Oh, so this is the closet. We're gonna keep the cleaning supplies here,
Oh.
right?
I like how it has a lock. You can also use it as an owner's closet, huh?
Yeah. What is the secret code?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, wrong. And welcome to the bedroom.
Wow, this bedroom is beautiful.
It's a king size bed.
Look at that wallpaper.
Yeah, it's the same wallpaper we used for the other unit in Waikiki Banyan. You know, that Korean doctor bought.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, so it really goes well. It's a tropical, right? But not too much green, but really blends well. So there's a makeup desk, so you can look pretty, and the drawers, and then another's TV.
Wow. I love this bedroom. Oh, there's another split AC, huh?
Yeah, so you can stay cool, right? But at the same time, so what is cooler than the split AC?
What?
The view of the Diamond Head.
Oh wow, that's Diamond Head. Wow, look at that.
Yeah, that's the Diamond Head and the ocean.
It's beautiful today, look at that.
So during the day, you can see Diamond Head and the ocean. At nighttime, you can see the city lights of Waikiki. And we have more dining table from the outside, so you can have morning coffee, because that's the east side. The sun goes up from that side. And all those outdoor chairs, ice box, and the wagon, so you can go to the beach. Because the beach is just so close by.
Hey look, you can see the surfers over there.
Yeah, nice weather, right?
So how much did this condo actually cost? The original listing price for this unit was $525,000, but we're able to secure at a very reasonable price for $485,000. Also, for short-term rental condos, financing can often be difficult. But in this case, the buyer was able to use a mortgage. The total renovation costs, including furniture, appliances, and decor, came out to $70,000.
So if you want to book this beautiful Airbnb, there's a link in the description. And if you also want to invest like my clients, then just feel free to contact me. I'm here to assist. Mahalo.